Today I'm here to repair a Porsche Panamera shock absorber core. It's currently faulty, lacking both oil and gas. Let's see how well the repair turns out. First, use this machine to cut open the port. Now, pour out the remaining oil. Be careful when removing this oil seal. Avoid touching the core rod. Clean and inspect it. This looks good. No need to replace it. Now, we need to machine a chamfer, add the oil seal, and measure the dimensions. This part needs to be removed. It's pressing against the inner edge. The oil seal needs to be pressed onto this. After installation, start crimping the edge. Now, begin adding nitrogen gas.